Showing on the screen is the withdrawal proof from this particular no deposit bonus account that I will show you how to claim in this video. In this video, I will show you how to claim a $40 no deposit bonus account that you can use to start trading without having to make deposits. Now, I'll also be telling you the terms and conditions, which is very simple. For you to make withdrawals from this platform, all you have to do is just trade this particular no deposit bonus account to $100 and above, so you'll be able to get your bonus, your profit from this account, so you'll be able to claim the withdrawal. As you can see shown on the screen is the withdrawal proof of more than $100 was made from this particular account. Now, the first thing you need to do is to click on the link that is in the screen of this video. Take it to my Telegram channel. Once you get there, all you have to do is just click on join. You have to join the channel, then go ahead and click on the link that will bring you right to the interface where you have to register an account with them. Showing on the screen is the interface from the broker. As you can see, the first thing you are going to do is to register an account with them. Make sure you register an account with them, and after that you click on continue. Now, this is what the dashboard looks like. As you can see, we are opening a real account, not a demo account. We are getting a real account, not a demo account. Now, once you enter the dashboard, the next thing you are going to do is to click on profile, and after that you click on promotions. Now, as you can see, the next thing you are going to do is scroll down, and you see this 40% right here, 40% automatic program. This is the bonus that you'll be getting, and as you can see, you receive a $40 no deposit bonus after completing your KYC verification. Then you trade 1x to unlock profits for withdrawal. Now, this is what you need to know concerning this particular account. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to head to where we are going to verify our KYC. Now, what we are going to do now is to click on profile to head to our KYC, so we can go ahead and get this particular account. And trust me, you'll be making withdrawals from this account. Click on your profile, then you click on, as you can see shown on the screen, your verify email, proof of identity, proof of address, and also you have to verify your email. Now, we're going to take this one at a time to verify this account, so we can go ahead and get the account. Now, to verify your email, this is what it will look like. You have to request for your code, and after that you head to your email, you receive the address, and just click on verify my email. And after doing that, this is what you have on your screen: email verified. Then after that, you sign in to your dashboard. The next thing you are going to do is to go to your proof of identity. As you can see right here, it has been marked that the email has been verified, showing on the screen. Now, you click on proof of address. As you can see, your ID or your passport, that's what you'll be using to complete this particular profile right here. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on complete profile to put in your details. As you can see, put in on next. Then the next thing you're going to do is to just fill in the every other details that you need to fill in right here, and you click on submit. So this is the identification that you need to do. Then after that, after it has been done, as you can see shown on the screen, they are being reviewed. The account is being reviewed. So trust me, you'll be getting your account immediately your KYC has been verified. So this is what you have on your screen. Then you can now go ahead and start trading on this platform right here. Go ahead, you can either choose your forex, binary, or your stocks. As you can see, that is all you need to do. You can change your time frame on this platform. You can change your time frame, start trading. Just make sure you start trading, and you can also check for your expiry time. You can set your expiry time of this particular trade on this platform. You can set to 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, any minute on this platform. You can buy and sell, your time frame, whatever it is that you need to do. So this is all you need to know concerning this particular account showing on the screen, your $40 no deposit bonus account. If you know you have gotten, when you get this particular account, do well to comment and send me a proof that you've gotten this particular account. And this is all for this no deposit bonus account. See you in my next video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also you can comment from where you are watching from, so I can make a video for your country. See you in my next video. Bye.